Hello, my little genius. Are you ready for some reading fun with Teacher D? Yes, let's begin. Now, the last time in Learning Fun, we spoke about a special letter. Does anyone remember what that letter is? That's right, the letter C. And we learned so many words that begin with C, like car and caterpillar. Now today, I'm going to be reading two stories, and one is about a caterpillar. That's right, a very hungry caterpillar. Okay, let's begin. The very hungry caterpillar. Look at all of these colors. Isn't it so beautiful? In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through two pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries. But he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. Wow! On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 slice of 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That night, he had a stomach ache. The next day was Sunday again. He ate through 1 nice green leaf. And after that, he felt much better. Now, he wasn't hungry anymore. And he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a beautiful butterfly. The end. What a beautiful story about how a caterpillar turns into a butterfly. I am going to read one of my favorite books called Chicka, Chicka, Boom, Boom. Do you know this story? Well, I have a surprise for you. I'll actually be singing the story. So if you know my little song, you can sing along. Are you ready to read? Let's begin. Chicka, chicka, boom, boom. A told B and B told C, I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Wee, said D to E, F, G, I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka, chicka, boom, boom, will there be enough room? Here comes H up the coconut tree, and I and J, and tag along K, all on their way up the coconut tree. Chicka, chicka, boom, boom, will there be enough room? Look who's coming, LMNOP, and QRS, and CUV. Still more W, X, Y, Z, the whole alphabet up the, oh no! Chicka, chicka, boom, boom. Skit, skat, scoodle, doots, flip, flop, flee. Everybody's running to the coconut tree. Mamas and papas and uncles and aunts hug their little dears and dust their pants. Help us up, cried ABC. Next from the pile up, skinned knee-deep, and stubbed toe E, and patched up F. Then comes G, all out of breath. H is tangled up with I. J and K are about to cry. L is looped. M is looped. N is stooped. O is twisted, alley-oop. Skit, skat, scooter, doot, flip, flop, flee. Look who's coming, it's black-eyed P, QRS, and loose tooth T. Then UVW, wiggle, jiggle, free. And last to come, XYZ. Then the sun goes down on the coconut tree. But chicka, chicka, boom, boom, look, there's a full moon. A is out of bed, and this is what he said. Dear double dare, you can't catch me. I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka, chicka, boom, boom. And look, we have all the alphabets. We have all the, and look, we have all the alphabet here. Can we say our letters? Okay, let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Let's say it one more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Well, wasn't that so interesting? That's all the reading fun I have for you today. So until next time, goodbye, my little friend.